Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a Valentine's makeup tutorial. I finally got my hands on the James Charles palette. Oh my god, you guys, was so excited when it went back in stock. I'm like, oh my god. So I ordered it last week, so it came right on time. And the colors, look at that. Really amazing, right? And I didn't use that many colors for my eyes. I think I used like 2 or 3 to create this look, and then plus I used something else. But this palette is so amazing. I was so excited when it came back in stock. I got it and I was like, I want to make a Valentine's Day look for you guys. I know that I'm not a makeup artist and it's not like that bomb or whatever, but I liked it and I tried, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. And as you can tell, my voice, oh my gosh, I'm getting sick. Well, I feel like I'm getting better. I was supposed to film yesterday and I felt like complete poop, you guys. I didn't feel good at all. I was just so disappointed that I felt sick again. So frustrating. Every time I plan things ahead and I take days off for work to film for you guys, it does never work in my favor. The last time I was also sick. I was so disappointing, but I went ahead today. I felt a little bit better, just my voice sounds a little crappy. I wanted to create a Valentine's Day look for you guys, so I hope that you guys enjoy it and thumbs up on my video. Hey you guys, so here I'm just using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer to prime my eyelids, and then I'm just gonna blend it out with the e.l.f. Beauty sponge. I'm just prepping the eye for the eyeshadow. Oh my god, I can't even talk, sorry guys, for the eyeshadows. And then I'm not going to use a transition color. I'm just going straight into that pink color. I'm just packing it on the eye instead of just rubbing it in. I'm just going to be packing it in the crease. And then I'm just doing the same thing here. I'm just packing it in, making sure I get the most color out of it. And then I start blending it in, and then I'm going back for that same pink shade and just blending it in my crease. Then I'm getting a Morphe brush. It's a little precision brush, getting that purple shade right next to that pink one, and then just packing it in my crease. And then I go back in with that same purple shade, and still, as you guys can see, I'm just packing it in and then slowly blending it out. So I keep going back in the palette to get the most out of the colors. And then here I tried to use that light pale pink shade, but it didn't work, so I'm just getting that purple color with that same Morphe brush and then just blending it all over my eyelid. And then I'm just taking my NYX crease brush with that same pink color and just blending everything out all together. Then here I'm taking the Milani topper and trying to make a little line here above my eye with the lip pencil, but it didn't work out too good, but I still did my best. Then I'm taking the NYX, it's like a white kind of cream color to apply it in my eyes. And then here I'm taking the Makeup Forever Starlit powder and just applying it on my brow bone and on my inner corner highlight. Then here I'm taking a Sigma pencil brush and then just blending that pink all under my eyes. I go back in with that color to pack it in as I did the first time, just to get more of that pop of pink. And I'm just finishing the eye look up with my L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. So this is a completed look, you guys. I went ahead and did my other makeup off camera and finished the rest of my eye. I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. It's very simple to do and easy for Valentine's Day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.